Hi everyone, welcome back to Beauty and Food. If you're new here, my name is Za. Since the Chinese New Year is just around the corner, today we're going to cook the UK's favorite for the Chinese takeaway, which is chicken chow mein. Chow means stir fry and mein mean noodle. So basically, we're going to cook the stir fry chicken noodles today. Check it out! First, we need to marinate the chicken. I'm using chicken thigh fillet here and slice it thinly. For the chicken marinade, you need half tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, quarter tablespoon of sesame oil, half tablespoon of sugar, quarter teaspoon of Chinese 5 spice, half teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it well. And lastly, pinch of black pepper. Marinate the chicken for at least an hour in the fridge. These are what you need. Egg noodle. I'm using fresh egg noodle that I bought from the Oriental supermarket. Garlic, ginger, carrot, red pepper, Pak Choy, oyster sauce, chili sauce, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, sesame oil, salt and sugar, which are not shown in the video here. You can also use bean sprout in the chow mein, but I don't use it here as I don't like it. Now, slice the carrot and julienne it. Cut the Pak Choy into smaller pieces. Julienne the red pepper. Julienne the ginger. Chop the garlic. I'm also using spring onion in this recipe that I didn't show earlier. Now cut the spring onion into smaller pieces. Next, for the sauce, half tablespoon of sesame oil, half tablespoon of light soya sauce, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, half tablespoon of chili sauce, half tablespoon of dark soya sauce, and lastly, half tablespoon of sugar. Mix it well and put it aside. Heat a wok over medium-high heat and add oil. Add the chicken and stir fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, add the garlic and ginger. Add carrot and cook for another 2 minutes or so. Stir it well. Add red pepper, next, add Pak Choy and mix it well. Now, add noodles and mix it. Next, add the sauce and mix it well. You can also add some salt if you want to. Drizzle it with toasted sesame seeds. And it's done! Enjoy it! Before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell for all notifications. I would also like to wish my friends and those who are celebrating Chinese New Year a happy Chinese New Year. Gong Xi Pak Choy. Do you know what is that?
This?
Yeah, what's that?
Chow mein.
No, it's chicken chow mein.
Chicken chow mein. Yeah.
Chicken chow mein. Okay, let's have a try. Nice?
It's really good.
Okay, bye everyone. Enjoy.